Hey, thanks for checking out the videos. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel.
Sean, about a minute until you start.
Okay. So,
all right, Sean, move on into the gate. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Hello. We're going about 30 seconds. You can go anytime after 5 to go. Okay? So you got 20 now. 15.
Okay, here we go. My second national downhill race. We're at Mountain Creek. It's a combined race with downhill southeast. So technically this is the downhill southeast number 4 race for the 2023 season and the second USA Cycling National downhill race. So I had a lot of practice going into this race. I got to Mountain Creek on Thursday. Actually got here on Wednesday. Was able to ride the bike park a little bit on Thursday, just really loosened up, and the conditions were just beautiful. If you saw at the beginning, it was like 42 in the morning. Every day was perfect. It was a little dusty and dry on late Saturday, but just couldn't ask for better conditions. The track was very challenging. I felt like I progressed so much this race. If you watch my video from Windrock, I just wouldn't let off the brakes. I just really struggled to find my comfort zone, and I just really opened up this race. That's a nice little gully gap that I finally cleared on the last day. But these rock gardens, I just really tried to open up and let it off this time, and it just felt good. I actually felt safer. I felt like that the way that I was carrying speed, it just gave me actually more confidence. And so just looking forward more, just laying off those brakes, and just things are just really starting to come together. This is a pretty interesting, I call it the birth canal right here. It was super dusty, loose, always changing. I was able to get pretty clean through here. I think I got a little ding, but great race. It was unfortunate that I didn't have Steven with me. He's still injured, but you know, lots of riding in, lots of progressing. Second national race. Ended up just couldn't ask for more. Got a lot of help from the guys around me. Jerry spent a lot of time with me doing track walk. Just good. Got nothing to complain about here. Perfect conditions, perfect riding. Leaving injury free and getting to ride the bike park another day. So I hope you enjoy my race run.
Nice.
Hope to continue to progress and get faster, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks and take care. I come in hot there.
All right, Sean Herman at 329.50. Art with a 424.64.
I know you said right, and I'm like. So podiums weren't until late in the afternoon, and my buddy Jerry got second place, and he actually had to take off, and there was this bear walking around, I guess, which was the Mountain Creek mascot. So I was able to get the bear to get up on the podium and accept his award. I ended up in 5th place, and I couldn't be happier. So thankful.